बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलामुअलैकुम जी। मैं अपनी एक और नई वीडियो के साथ आपकी खिदमत में हाजिर हूँ। इस वीडियो में जो जॉब्स मैं शेयर करूँगी वो वाली जॉब्स आई थी रोज़नामा जंग कराची इतवार 22 दिसंबर 2024 के अखबार में। जॉब्स ओपनिंग एवियन बायोसाइंसेस प्राइवेट लिमिटेड एन एनिमल फीड एडिटिव सप्लायर company is looking for energetic result oriented sales professionals having a blend of expertise in animal nutrition, marketing strategies, and industry specific knowledge. National Sales Manager Rawalpindi, MPhil/MSc Animal Nutrition, 7 to 9 years of experience with a minimum of 3 years experience. In same capacity, candidate having a good understanding of the feed additive business, capable of developing and implementing marketing strategies, market analysis, and leading sales team members to achieve targets. Regional Sales Manager Lahore, Multan, Peshawar, Karachi, MPhil/MSc Animal Nutrition with 5 to 7 years of relevant experience. Candidate having a good understanding of the feed additive business and capable of implementing marketing strategies in specific regions and working closely with local distributors and sales teams. If you think you have all that we are looking for, apply with confidence by December 31st 2024. Career at avianbiosciences.pk, Human Resources Department, 469-D/A, 6th Road, Satellite Town, Rawalpindi, Pakistan. UN 05111505055, phone 051445755, 051445755. Pharmaceutical vacancies. A reputable pharmaceutical company in Karachi has openings for the following positions. Position qualification number 1, business manager, preferably MBBS/pharmacy graduate, location Karachi, experience in same position 5 years or over. Number 2, product manager, preferably MBBS/pharmacy graduate, location Karachi, 2 years or over. Number 3, sales manager, preferably science graduate, all over Pakistan, minimum 2 years. Number 4, area managers, preferably science graduate, all over Pakistan, minimum 2 years. Number 5, medical sales reps, preferably science graduates, all over Pakistan, minimum 1 year, but fresh may apply. और 6 है सेल्स डेटा एनालिस्ट, प्रेफरेबली कॉमर्स ग्रेजुएट, कराची, मिनिमम 1 ईयर बट फ्रेश में अप्लाई. काइंडली ईमेल योर recent and detailed CVs with latest color photograph to Forma December 24 at proton.me with CC. Email to pharmavec2024@gmail.com. Please mention the position applied for in the subject line positively. Only shortlisted candidates will be contacted. Sui Southern Gas Company Limited, SSGC senior management/leadership position. SSGC, one of Pakistan's most reputable public sector entity, specializes in the transmission and distribution of natural gas across the provinces of Balochistan and Sindh. The company also owns and operates the only gas meter manufacturing plant in the country, having annual production capacity. आप लोग देख लीजिएगा. To strengthen SSGC's transformation journey, the company is looking for competent and dynamic professional for the following: Position: Company Secretary. Qualification and experience. Qualification: member of a recognized body of professional accountants or member of a recognized body of corporate or chartered secretaries or master's degree in business administration or commerce, or being a law graduate from a university recognized by the Higher Education Commission. Experience: minimum 10 years of work experience. Post qualification / membership required with at least the 7 years experience as company secretary. जॉब समरी आप लोग देख लीजिएगा. द इनकम्बेंट इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल टू इंश्योर द बोर्ड प्रोसीजर्स आर फॉलोड. ये आप लोग देख लीजिएगा. ठीक है. Note: the maximum age limit is 57 years. Applicants must fulfill the fit and proper criteria under the State-Owned Enterprises Governance and Operations Act 2023. The position will initially be a 3 years contract, renewable based on company's requirement and individual's performance. For internal candidates, continuity of service shall be given as per company's policy. Detailed job description of the position is available on our website www.ssgc.com.pk/careers. Only shortlisted candidates will be called for interview and selection will be strictly be merit based. Only the position careers. The position carries market competitive compensation package. SSGC is an equal opportunity employer and women are encouraged to apply. Interested candidates are encouraged to apply through our website www.ssgc.com.pk/careers within 15 days of the publication of advertisement. www.ssgc.com.pk. SIUT Benazir Institute of Urology and Transplantation, BIUT, and Sindh Institute of Urology and Transplantation, SIUT, on Shaheed Benazirabad, Nawabshah is a 300-bedded tertiary healthcare hospital established with a mission. अच्छा मैं बता देती हूँ जॉब्स इसकी. वी आर लुकिंग फॉर एनर्जेटिक एंड enthusiastic professionals who have passion and a desire to make a positive difference in patient care. The below mentioned positions are based at Shaheed Benazirabad, Nawabshah. Senior lecturer / assistant professor / consultant / specialist in clinical pathology, and number 1 MBPS / FCPS / MCPS / DCP in pathology / clinical pathology. Qualification, experience and publications of faculty positions are as per PMDC requirements. For consultant / specialist post, 2 years experience is required. Nursing supervisor, BSc or 3-year diploma of general nursing with valid PNC registration. Candidates must have 7 years post qualification experience, out of which 3 years in supervisory role in a tertiary care hospital. Senior lecturer / assistant professor, peds urology, peds nephrology, anesthesiology, intensive care unit. Qualification, experience and publications of faculty positions are as per PMDC requirements. Consultant / specialist radiology, FCPS / MCPS / DMRD in radiology with relevant experience. Resident medical officer shift duties. Urology, nephrology, emergency, anesthesia, ICU, MBBS with 1 year house job completed. Trainee medical social officer, BS / masters in social work or sociology from recognized institution, preferably with 2 to 3 years relevant experience. CSST technician, intermediate science with diploma of CSST. टेक्नीशियन recognized from Sindh Medical Faculty or BS Medical Technology with 2 to 3 years working experience in CSSD. Lithotripsy technician, certification/training of lithotripsy technician from recognized institution with 2 to 3 years working experience in relevant field. Urodynamic technologist, certification/training of urodynamic technology from recognized institution with 2 to 3 years working experience in relevant field. You offer a market competitive salary, perks and a growth oriented work environment. How to apply? If you are interested in joining our dynamic team, please send your updated resume at biutsiut.hr@gmail.com. latest by January 5, 2025. Only shortlisted candidates will be contacted. अच्छा जी, ये NICBD की जॉब है. करियर अपॉर्चुनिटीज़. एप्लीकेशंस आर इनवाइटेड फॉर द फॉलोइंग पोजीशंस एट NICBD कराची. सीरियल नंबर 1 पोजीशन असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर एडल्ट कार्डियक सर्जरी का ग्रेड 18. अच्छा, रीजनल प्रोविंशियल कोटा सबका सिंध का है, ठीक है. रिक्वायर्ड क्वालिफिकेशन एज पर PMNDC रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस. रेलेवेंट क्वालिफिकेशन एंड एक्सपीरियंस विल बी प्रेफर्ड. नंबर 2 सीनियर रजिस्ट्रार एनेस्थीसियोलॉजी ग्रेड 18 सिंध का कोटा है और क्वालिफिकेशन एज पर PMNDC रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस, वही ऊपर वाला, ठीक है. नंबर 3 सीनियर रजिस्ट्रार एमरजेंसी सर्विस 18 ग्रेड है और एज पर PMNDC रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस. रेलिवेंट क्वालिफिकेशन एंड एक्सपीरियंस विल बी प्रेफर्ड. नंबर 4 है सीनियर रजिस्ट्रार क्रिटिकल केयर एज पर PMNDC रेगुलेशंस. रेलिवेंट क्वालिफिकेशन एंड एक्सपीरियंस विल बी प्रेफर्ड. 5 टेक्नोलॉजिस्ट इकोकार्डियोग्राफी ग्रेड 13 कोटा है सिंध का. BS मेडिकल टेक्नोलॉजी विथ 2 years ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस /BSc विथ डिप्लोमा इन रेलिवेंट फील्ड विथ 5 years ऑफ रेलिवेंट एक्सपीरियंस. नंबर 6 है टेक्नीशियन इकोकार्डियोग्राफी ग्रेड 11 सिंध का कोटा है. FSc प्री मेडिकल with diploma in respective field with 2 years of relevant experience. NICBD is an equal opportunity employer. Only shortlisted candidates will be called for test/interview where applicable. Candidates in government service should apply through proper channel. No TA/TA will be admissible over test/interview. Incomplete applications will be rejected. Please mention post applied for at the top right side of envelope. Management reserves the right to accept/reject any application without assigning any reason. Interested candidates may send their updated CVs along with complete educational and experience certificates with recent passport size photograph at Human Resource Department, National Institute of Cardiovascular Diseases, Rafiqi H.G, Shaheed Road, Karachi 75510. latest by January 6, 2025. नेशनल इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ कार्डियोवैस्कुलर डिजीज़ेस. तो जी ये तो थी मेरी आज की वीडियो. अगर आप लोगों को मेरी वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो मेरी वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा. इस वीडियो के लिए इतना ही. अल्लाह हाफ़िज़.